Headed to Columbus to the Sportsman Expo, and we'll let you know how it is. Well, we made it to the Sportsman Expo here in Columbus, and looks like it's going to be pretty interesting.
Okay. How's it going, folks? I'm Mike with Drone Deer Recovery. We're down here at the Columbus Expo. We're building the brand. What we do is we use thermal imaging drones to locate the body heat of a deer that you may have hit that you can't find, you can't trail it or whatever. We use the thermal imaging to find it, and then we use a 200 times zoom camera to zoom in on the deer to see if it's the deer that you hit or not. But yeah, check us out on dronedeerrecovery.com, on YouTube. It's a growing thing. Any questions?
This is our new Runner X all-wheel drive. It's 500 watt twin with a derailing system. It will go 20 miles on a charge at 20 miles an hour without you pedaling. If you pedal it, you can easily get it up to about 40 miles on a charge. If you check out our website at Broadside Outdoors, they're all on there.
Hey everybody, check me out on YouTube, Hunting Beast.
Tree stand, CRC Manufacturing, and this is our foldable portable ladder stand. Folds all the way out, got 3 sets of hinges, those all pinned together with our detent pins, laid flat on the ground. Once you're all pinned together and it's one ladder, use your hook stake. Hook stake goes around the very bottom rung and into the ground at the base of the tree. Once you got it all ready to go, you basically get behind it, walk it up straight to the tree, and start strapping it off. Our straps are done from the ground. Number 1, number 2, go up 5 rungs to your 3rd strap. You've got 1 more strap in the air, and then you start hanging your platform. The platform itself swings out away from the tree. Swings out like this. Those 2 arms are independent of each other, so it has a little bit of a range in motion. So when you get into that tree that's not perfect, but it's perfectly straight, you can still get into your platform and still be strong. Once the platform is down and ready to go, it's a 22 by 24 inch platform. Sets away from the tree 10 inches. So you got 34 inches of working platform space. Best part about it, no cables to step over.
What's the weight?
Weight, the whole thing is 39 pounds. Meant to be set up completely by yourself, and we say 7 minutes or less.
What's the holding weight?
So the holding weight, I'm rated for 300 pounds, but everything right here, I've got a picture over there with a 55-gallon drum that's 440 pounds. It is tube-in, tube steel, so even if you are over that, it'll definitely hold the weight. Everything is supported underneath, tube-in, tube with a hard stop bottom. So once you get to this position, it won't make any noise, it won't creak on you, and it'll definitely be able to hold your big guys, I promise.
Well, I'm definitely impressed with the height.
18.6 at the top. We gave you a little bit extra at the top there, so when you do go to make your transition, you've got something to hold on to.
Well, you heard it, guys.
Tree stand.
Come check them out.
Visit us at www.trinitytreestand.com. Look us up on YouTube, Instagram. Thanks for checking us out.
$20. Good deal.
Lone Wolf trail camera, the only camera you can actually aim. No more jamming sticks. Easy load and unload batteries, never been easier. You don't need a jackknife to get the card out. And an extra slot, so you forgot a card, no problem. Everything about it is easier. Not only does it have an awesome strap, but you can snap it right on. You can even film your hunt with it because no other camera has this quality because it has the biggest lens in the industry. Lone Wolf.
And if you love the outdoors, you definitely want to come down and check this place out, right, Preston?
Yeah.
Richland County. Monroe. 213 inches. Wow. Pickaway County. What a slob. What's it say? 207?
Net score. See, I don't like to take
Big ones. Fairfield County buck. Camera does no justice. Super wide. Now this has a lot of character. 184. And the G2s have to be at least 16 inches. They're huge. That is up in the air. Wow. Just the mass of the horns. 220 scoreable points. What a monster. There's Valerie's. What an absolute monster. 190. Looks like it's 200. That is a nice Muskingum County buck. Good job, Valerie. Hey guys, come on down, check it out here at the Sportsman Show. Really a good time this year. Really impressed. Quite a few vendors. Good crowd, easy to get around. But come down, check it out.